So Dakota bought these noodles the other day and he didn't like them, so I'm gonna make them. They're these Budak artificial spicy chicken ramen flavor. So artificial kind of gets me worried, but we'll see. I mean, isn't everything artificial nowadays though? Look at that sauce. Raphael's taking my car to Auburn for no reason. Actually, to get his head, so.
What's up, man?
What's up here? Oh, okay. Enjoy. Good luck. Have fun.
Want the keys for that?
No, I have this.
So you don't want to drive it?
No, not really. Do you even have... Okay, I'll take it.
There you go.
Thanks.
All right, see you.
Bye. It's a little rainy out here today. Get a nice little cold start for you boys. Ooh, yeah. God damn. He's back. Can hear that thing from a fucking mile away.
Did you?
Here's your key.
Alright. I have to get all the shit out of your car, so. I was gonna stop at my place and like take everything out, but
Why didn't you do that?
I just forgot.
Why don't you go do that real quick?
You wanna go?
Sure.
You got a meeting?
Let me put my pants on. Hey, I stole my car again. I have to drive this thing. The truck! The Toyota Tacoma pickup truck. We've got a nice limiter at 5,500 there. It's a 5-speed with race mode. Gotta love that race mode. I always put it in race mode. Is it in? Oh, there it is. Give it a second. That's a second. Ooh. Man, it's smooth. Kind of like that, actually. I want a truck now. Damn, boy. Bro, these wipers are so ass. Yo, they didn't do shit. Mirrors are all in wacky, wonky positions. Yeah, I don't know, man. Oh my god, the steering is rough. And there it is. There's the head.
Hopefully the right one.
You think they gave you the wrong one? Ooh, we're taking out both of the cars today. It is a little wet out, so maybe he'll get a little drift nasty, but ugh. Looks so good. Gotta love that. I'm gonna start this bitch up too. She's a little dirty. Just a little bit. Oh, God. Yeah, gotta remind him that it's low. Like, pretty low. Oh. These pastel skies are getting me worked up. Look at these cars with that sky. That is insane right now. I love it. Oh, man. So beautiful. Oh, man, this is it. This might be the last time you see this car on this channel, at least with me driving it as the owner. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, but I do have this thing up for sale, and somebody has made me an offer on it. So it is going with stock hood, no wheels, no carbon trunk, and no harness bar inside and all that good stuff. So we are reverting this car back to OEM Plus stock condition tomorrow. Same video, of course, so you guys will see the whole process. But yeah, it's been a wild ride. I've only had this car for maybe about a year almost now. And it has gone through some crazy changes. I mean, you know, carbon. We've got the front power brace. We did the wheels. We did the interior door cards. We did all sorts of stuff lately. And recently, the cool stickers and the wrap, of course. I mean, that's the coolest sticker of them all. But yeah, it's time to part ways, you know? So we'll see what happens. But I'm excited because there are bigger things to come. We're taking this black Evo for a spin. Oh, there's water there. We're listening to music Yeah, Eric's playing right now. Yo, guys. Look at that shit. Hold on, boys. Look at that shit. Oh, yeah. Look at all these gauges. Woo! Fucking so nice in here. And this thing has the rear diffuser as well as the third brake light or the fourth brake light along the bottom. Oh my god. And there's my car up front there. Sheesh. Looking fire, bro. Holy shit, dude. That thing is slow. I'm just starting to get all the stuff out of here now. We just went to Applebee's real quick. Now we're back at the house, and yeah, I'm just gonna start taking things out of this car as we go. It is the next morning. I have a lot of stuff that I just took out of the car. I gotta move this out, move that thing in. It is nice outside, so I technically could just do it outside. Maybe I'll start outside then. Alrighty, I have the Evo pulled in. First things first, I moved the trunk over here, give me some space over there. We gotta take off the hood, the trunk, the harness bar, and the harnesses. And then, yeah, probably this front bar as well. But, yeah, it's not gonna be too bad at all. I mean, this is like 4 or 5 bolts total, and then... yeah, I gotta take care of all that stuff. But everything else in this car has already been cleaned out. I just need to take out my radar detector, and that's pretty much it. Not much to it. The whole trunk has been cleared out already as well. We just have to take off that trunk. And then maybe we'll take off all the stickers. Oh no, now it's time to take out these harnesses, which were so clean back here. These two at least. That one's not as clean, obviously. That one's okay. But these two especially are very clean. So, I'm gonna get my handy dandy skizzers here. It's hard to work when you're looking through the camera and not actually at what you're cutting. Alrighty, there it is. There's the passenger side and the driver's side harness. The whole bar's out. It's looking kind of empty in here right now. Still have to take out the carbon e-brake handle, replace it with the old one, take out all the trash right there, and then we can start working on the trunk and hood. Well, I've taken the wing off of the back. It's safe to say it does look pretty good without it. So maybe on the next one, I'll keep it just straight carbon. Kind of regret drilling the holes, but I also do like the way it looks with the wings. So I think it's okay. We can just keep swapping back and forth whenever we feel like having a big wing and not, you know? I think it's pretty sick. Plus it lines up with the drain holes anyway down here. So I don't think we'll have any issues just leaving them open, honestly. Damn, the carbon's off. Trunk's back on with the wing. Very different look for sure. Eric's arrived here at my humble abode with another Evo. How do you like it?
Fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This thing's pretty sweet, huh? Damn. So shiny.
It's a monster.
So the last thing we gotta do is put the hood back on and take off the carbon hood. Let's do it. Let's do it. So we're gonna pull this Evo in to the garage, and then we'll move this one out. We're gonna replace that hood and the trunk with the carbon trunk over there. And oh my god. And then after everything's all done, then we'll move the Evo or the S2000 back into the garage. Lit.
I don't know.
Alrighty, carbon trunk is on this Evo now. The carbon hood is also on this Evo. Wow. Looks fire, dude.
Sometimes it'll run on 2 cylinders like the first.
Alrighty, this is it. Last time you'll see this Evo in my driveway. Ah, goodbye, Evo. Wow, this is quite an experience. Look at me. I have a regular seatbelt on. There's no harness bar or nothing. This has a regular ass e-brake on it. Wow. Yeah, it's just weird, man. Like, I don't understand. I'm about to turn this bitch around real quick and see the boys behind me. She's a little bit dirty right now, but that's okay. There it is, the new whip. She's looking so good. I am so excited to start driving this thing, especially with my hood and my trunk on this thing already. It's so gnarly. Wow. Alrighty, we're heading out. Let's get it. Oh man. Well, here we go. Gonna miss this car. Alrighty, man. Enjoy.
All right, bro. Thank you so much.
Goodbye, Evo. You will be missed. Woo! Fuck. Bye. Yo, Eric driving the whip back? Yo, the new whip. It's got the carbon on it already. Raphael's taking the S2K. You good to go? Goodbye, S2K. I will see you when I see you. And then I'm gonna move the Evo into the driveway. Straight out. Straight. I said straight and he keeps turning. This fucking guy. Oh, there's some rags here. Nice. Yeah, there's a lot of mess in here right now, so I'm gonna clean up.